equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a heat gun, a suction cup, a plastic spudger, and a set of precision screwdrivers. Start by powering off your Surface 1796 completely. This is crucial to avoid any electrical issues during the repair. Next, use the heat gun to gently warm the edges of the screen. This will soften the adhesive, making it easier to separate the screen from the device. Be careful not to overheat, as this can damage internal components. Once warmed, place the suction cup near the edge of the screen and pull gently while using the spudger to pry the screen away from the body. Work your way around the device, ensuring you don't apply too much force. As you detach the screen, you'll encounter several screws securing the display connector. Use your precision screwdriver to remove these screws carefully. Keep them in a safe place, as you'll need them later. If you find this process challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for help. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the screen to reveal the internal components. Take this opportunity to clean any dust or debris inside the device using a soft brush or compressed air. This will help maintain the performance of your Surface. Now, locate the display connector. Carefully disconnect it by lifting the connector from its socket. This step requires a steady hand, so take your time. If you're feeling uncertain, don't forget that we provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get professional help without any hassle. With the old screen removed, it's time to prepare the new screen. Align the display connector with the socket and press it firmly into place. Ensure it's secure before proceeding. Next, position the new screen onto the device, making sure it fits snugly into the frame. Reinsert the screws you previously removed to secure the display connector. This is a crucial step, as a loose connection can lead to display issues later on. If you're unsure about the quote for repair, we always provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. Finally, apply a small amount of adhesive around the edges of the screen to secure it in place. Press down firmly and allow it to set for a few minutes. Once the adhesive has cured, power on your Surface 1796 to test the new screen. If everything works as expected, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the screen. If you encounter any issues or feel this process is too daunting, remember that we are here to help with no calls, no travel required. Simply reach out, and we'll assist you with your repair needs. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.